against Kyung La, who's in Sendai as well, but can hear me. Kyung, I mean, one of the most fascinating things that I just heard there, and is really remarkable to watch, is the apparent calm of the people in Japan, given the scale of the disaster that's befallen them.
It is, but if you live here, as I do, and you talk to people and you see how this culture works, it's very apparent that that is what's going to happen. I would be extraordinarily surprised if there were any sort of pandemonium or looting. That's just not the way this culture runs. Japanese people prize order and civility above all else. And so the idea of complaining is even something that's really not accepted here in Japan. That's why when we heard Anderson talking about when the water ran out, people were not upset. That is expected here. Also, the sense of community. That's something that we saw after the Kobe earthquake. And what happens is the government can't necessarily be everywhere right away. So what we're seeing in these evacuation centers is a goodwill of people, community members pitching in. Those limited supplies, when they can't immediately arrive, the supplies that are there in the evacuation centers, the people distribute it evenly amongst themselves. I saw yesterday one man handing his bowl to another elderly person who had not eaten. That's just the way this culture works. And so the issues that we've seen in other countries after a crisis like this is not something that we're really expecting here. If you hear of any sort of issue like that, that will tell you that the culture is becoming, is basically spiraling out of control, and that is just something we haven't seen yet.